Good morning, children. This is the paper of term 1, chapter 1 to 4. First question is answer the following in short. You have to write down answer in short. It contains 1 mark each and there is 12. So 1 into 12, 12 mark. First question is what are the maternal uncles and aunts? Second question is what are the fraternal twins? Third question is what are the features of traditional houses that are built in southwestern part? Name the 3 R's of conservation. What is water pollution? Give 2 examples of synthetic fibers. Name the 3 living components of the environment. Give few ways to prevent land pollution. The next one is children. Number 9. Which materials are used to make natural dye? What are the factors that to be considered before a building house? How do you help your grandparents? What are the identical twins? This 12 question complete. Now children, number 2 question is answer the following in 2 or 3 lines. You have to give answer in 2-3 lines. First question was answer in short in 1 line. Now here each answer contains 2 marks. 2 into 6 is equal to 12. First question is why is it necessary to have proper ventilation in a house? Second one is what is a yarn? How is it made? Next is how can we reduce wastage? Give 2 examples. Next, how does air pollution affect our health? Then next question is name the 2 fibers used to make clothes. Write 2 examples. Sixth one is what is an environment? Name some of its living and non-living components. Now 6th question complete. Next is children logical question. See, answer the following logical question. Each question contains 3 marks and there is 3. So 3 into 3, 9 marks. First one is the army men have to set up a temporary house or resting place. What type of house should they build and what material should they use to build their house? Second one, in India we are celebrating harvest festival. Why? Give reason. Next, Lavi visitors of factory. Sees smoke coming out of the factory chimney. Ravi also noticed factory garbage being dumped in a nearby water body. Soon she feels like sneezing and her eyes start watering. Lavi does not want to visit this place again. So children read this paragraph and then answer the why is Lavi feeling uncomfortable? Second one is which is components of environment are mentioned in this passage. In this passage, which are the components of environment mentioned? Now children, we go to question number 4. It is objective. Fill in the blanks. Now each question, each blank contains half mark and there is 4. So total mark is 2. First one is children here. See, number 1 is last one here. Blank calamities damage houses and force people to shift from one place to another. Then number 2 is and blank does the electrical wiring in a house. Silk is obtained from the cocoon of blank. Using waste material to make new item is called blank. Now second objective question is write true or false. That is also each one of half mark, and there is 4, so total mark is 2. One should not love and care for their family. Second one, we must keep our home neat and tidy. Third one, noise pollution may cause problems like hearing. Then next one, reading of storybooks and magazines are not good for students. Now children, next is matching. Match the following, and that is also of 1 half mark. So here it is 4, total mark is 2, and you have to write down answer here. See, number 1 is given, 2 is given, 3 is given, and 4 is given. Suppose Makar Sankranti, the which answer comes from here, you have to write down here A, B, C, D. Then next is activity base. Here pictures are given, and you have to write which type of pollution it is. Now first one, see children, it is water and garbage is there. Second one, smoke is coming out. Third one also, smoke is coming out. Here there is a land, and in that land there is a garbage, and it is 1 mark each, and there is 5. So 1 into 5 is 5. Next one is, here there is 6, but you have to write down all which 5 will be correct. You will get 5 mark. Here see, noise pollution. Here is water pollution. Now arrange the jumble word into 2 parts, harvest festival and common festival. These all festivals are given. You have to write down harvest festival in harvest festival column and common festival in common. Next is solve the puzzle. See children, these puzzles are from glossary. It is 1 into 5 and total 5 mark. Across line means sleeping line. Down line means standing line. So you have to read this. A disease that makes skin and eyes yellow. People born and living in the same time. Very strong winds that cause heavy rain. Beautiful pattern made on cloth using needle and thread. A paste of sand, water and cement. This is mixture of all 4 chapters. Then next is children here current affairs. That is 1 into 10, 10 mark. Each one contains 1 mark. How many cricket World Cup does India have? 2 or 3. Who is known as the father of Indian Constitution? Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. India lies in which continent? Asia or Africa? Which is the longest river on the earth? Sabarmati or Nile? Smallest state of India is Goa, Rajasthan. Agra is situated on the bank of river Ganga or Yamuna. Which insect has colorful wings? Housefly, butterfly. Gateway of India is located at Mumbai, Delhi. LBW is related to which sport? Cricket or volleyball? Capital of Uttarakhand is Dehradun or Shillong. Now children, after that comes aptitude. Now in aptitude, see first question, take the right choice. That is of half mark each, and 8 are there. You will get total mark is 4. Now first one is dice cube. Then math box will be which shape you have to find out. Now AB, BC, BC, CD, CD, DE, then DE, which will come, you have to take out the correct answer. Next is T, S, W, V, then D, before which letter will come you to write. 10 is to 20, 20 is to 30, 30 is to 70 is to 80, and 80 is to blank. So which will come you have to find out. Now 2 is to 4, 10 is to 20, 200 is to 400, then 400 is to which will come answer you have to write down. Next 1 QA, 2 OB, 3 OC, 4 OD, 5 OE, 6 over 1, then 7 OC. So which answer will come here you have to find out. 111A, 222B, 222B, 333C, then 333C, and what will come here you have to find out correct answer. Now next is 1 ABC, 2 DEF, 3 GHI, then which answer will be correct you have to write. Now encircle the odd one out. Here it is also half mark each, 8 are there and total mark is 4. You have to find out which will not be fitted in each group, that you have to encircle. Which is wrong you have to encircle. 111, 222, 333, 444, and then 555. Five, 5, 6 it is. Then next 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 7, 5, 6, 7, which is wrong you have to encircle. 120, 40, 60, 80, and 210. Then next is onion, pineapple, banana, grapes, apple, and peach, which is not fitted you have to cancel it. Then next is shirt, trouser, vest, socks, cap, and chair. Next CD, floppy, mouse, keyboard, pen drive, and banana. Car, jeep, truck, bus, van, and aeroplane. Then potato, brinjal, lady's finger, apple, cauliflower, and tomato. Now next is give next to for each of the following. Each is 1 mark. So 1 into 2, 2 mark. A, B, B, C, C, then what will come here you have to write down. X, Y, X, Y, X, Y, you have to write down what will come here. Now give next 3 for each of the following. It is also 1 mark each, 1 into 2, 2. A, B, C, A, B, C, then what will come? That you would write. Z, Z, X, Z, Y, Z. Now what will come here? You have to see. Z, Y, X. It is Y. Z, Y, X. Z, Y, X. Then next is fill in the boxes. That is also 1 each. And 1 into 2, that is 2 mark. A, B, B, C, then what will come here? You have to write. D, E, E, F, what will come? You have to write. A, B, C, D, E, F, then next what will come here? J, K, L, M, N, O, then what will come here? You have to write down. Then next is, in each of the following, out the word which can be made from the letters of the given word. Now, this C, A, P, T, U, R, E is given. Here each is of 1 mark, total 2 are there, total 2 marks. So which word you can make from this word, given word, which is the correct, you put it correct. Here also same, RATIONAL, which word will be made from this letter, you have to find out. Thank you children.